morning viewers. This is Santosh. Welcome to our S Square Maths YouTube channel. Hope you are all well. Today we are going to discuss an important topic related to IIT concepts for the foundation level and various Olympiads. So what is our topic name? Modulus function. So modulus nothing but here type 1 in that absolute value equations. Now we are going to discuss our absolute value equations. Of which type? Since it is equations equal to. So let us go through our discussion now here. Solution. Let modulus of 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Equation 1. So we have the formula connected to this one now. If mod x is equal to a, where a is greater than 0, then x is equal to a plus a, or x is equal to minus a. This is a formula connecting to absolute value equations of equal to type here. So therefore, in the place of x we have 2x minus 3 and a is 7. So therefore, 2x minus 3 is equal to 7 or 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 7. So this is a linear equation, one variable. This is also the same. So solving this one, so 2x is equal to 7 plus 3. So 2x is equal to 5. Sorry, 2x is equal to 10. Implies x is equal to 10 by 2 gives you 5. So implies x value is here, it is 5. In the same way again solving the equation this one, 2x is equal to minus 7 plus 3. 2x is equal to minus 4. Implies x is equal to here minus 4 by 2 gives you x is equal to minus 2. So therefore the solution set for the given linear equation, absolute value equation is, therefore the solution set of set of 1 is, what are the possible x values? 5 and minus 2. So what is the internal meaning of this one? Nothing but for the given absolute value equations, the solution is 5 and minus 2. So 5 and minus 2 only will satisfy the given absolute value equations. Other than 5 and minus 2 it does not satisfy. So in this way we can solve the absolute value equations. This is type 1. So therefore the solution of modulus of 2x minus 3 is equal to 7 is 5 and minus 2. Now we are going to discuss second type, nothing but absolute value inequations of less than type or less than or equal to type, that we are going to discuss. So solve modulus of 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 7. So this is absolute value inequations of less than type or less than or equal to type. Here we are going to discuss less than or equal to type. So we have the formula, we know that if mod x less than or equal to a implies minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to plus a. This is the formula applicable for modulus of x less than or equal to type. So mod x less than or equal to a implies minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a. Nothing but the value of x lies between minus a and plus a inclusively. Nothing but x also takes the values of minus a and plus a. So here x is nothing but 2x minus 5 and a is nothing but 7. Therefore I can write now here minus 7 less than or equal to 2x minus 5 less than or equal to plus 7. My intention is to get the value of x here. So 2x minus 5, to get x here we have minus 5, add 5 on both sides. So minus 7 plus 5 less than or equal to 2x minus 5 plus 5 less than or equal to 7 plus 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0 here. So this is minus 2 less than or equal to 2x less than or equal to 12. 7 plus 5 12. Still we have 2x, but our intention is to get the value of x. Since the operation between 2 and x is multiplication, dividing with 2 here. So minus 2 by 2 less than or equal to 2x by 2 less than or equal to 12 by 2. Gives you what here? Minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. So what is the meaning of this one now? The value of x lies between minus 1 and 6, including minus 1 and 6, is a solution for the given absolute value in equation. Now this is a formula connecting absolute value in equation of the type less than or equal to, and therefore the solution for the given equation is, so therefore the solution of given inequation is, what is the solution we got? Minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. Nothing but the value of x lies between minus 1 and plus 6, including minus 1 and 6 for the given equation. For the given inequation here, modulus of 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 7. So this is a formula which is applicable for less than or equal to type. This is second type, and this is a solution. So in this way we can overcome the process of modulus function type 2 absolute value inequations, nothing but less than or equal to type. Third type we are going to discuss absolute value inequations of greater than type. In the previous videos we have been discussed about absolute value equations nothing but equal to type, absolute value inequations less than type. Now we are going to discuss how to solve the absolute value inequations of which type? Greater than type. It is also applicable for greater than or equal to type. So now let us go through our solution. So given mod of x minus 2 greater than 6, label as equation 1. So we know that if mod x greater than a, then x greater than a or x less than minus a. Here in the place of x we have x minus 2 and a is nothing but 6. So therefore I can write now mod of x minus 2 greater than 6 implies, I can write here x minus 2 greater than 6 or x minus 2 less than minus 6. This implies I can write here x greater than 6 plus 2 or x less than minus 6 plus 2. So here x is greater than 8 or x is less than minus 4. So what is the value, what is the meaning of this x greater than 8 and x less than minus 4? Nothing but the values which are greater than 8 will satisfy the given inequation greater than type. Also the values which are less than x, the less than minus 4 will also satisfy the given inequation. So therefore the solution of 1 is x greater than 8 or x less than minus 4. So the values which are greater than 8 and the values which are less than minus 4 will only satisfy the given inequation of greater than type, nothing but mod of x minus 2 greater than 6. So in this way we can overcome the problem, and this is the formula for the modulus for the absolute value inequations greater than type. What is our formula? If mod x greater than a, then x greater than a or x less than minus a, and this is the solution for the given inequation greater than type. So please viewers, after watching the video, please like, share, subscribe our S Square Maths YouTube channel. Thank you.